Today, 8th July 2021, more than a crore workers of this country have joined hands with the 4 lakh defense civilian employees protesting against the most draconian and brutal Essential Defense Services Ordinance 2021 and also against the arbitrary and biased decision taken by the Modi government to kill and liquidate the 220 years old 41 Indian ordnance factories by converting them into a corporation. The government of India has violated all democratic norms, all legal provisions, all legal rights, and has decided, instead of settling the dispute raised by the defense civilian employees, they have taken the route of promulgating the most draconian ordinance and are trying to crush the hard-earned democratic rights of the not only defense civilian employees but the entire Indian working class. And that is why not only the 4 lakh defense civilian employees but also the entire working class of this country, railways, postal, income tax, central secretariat, account, state government employees, public sector employees, central government employees, and also organized and unorganized workers all have joined this agitation. And throughout the country, this agitation of Black Day is going on. This will not end with this. We are taking all efforts to bring all the trade unions, all the working class, irrespective of their affiliation, to fight back against this draconian YETSO 2021 and against the corporatization of ordnance factories. Thank you.